This is the third video in our series about the VMS software for XMeye devices. In our first video, we showed you how to set up access on your computer, and in the second one, we covered how to play back and save recordings. If you missed those and need to catch up, we've left the links for both videos in the description and in the pinned comment below. Also, stay tuned till the end, because we'll display a card on the screen that will take you directly to those tutorials. Today, we're going to show you how to access and manage the internal settings of your XMeye devices directly through the VMS software. This is very useful for making adjustments without needing to be at the physical location of the device. For this tutorial, it is essential that your device is already added to the program. If you haven't done that yet, or if you don't know how to add your device, you should watch our first video where we explain the process step by step. Now, let's open the VMS and get started with the configuration. On the login screen, just click the login button to enter. Once the software opens, you might see the Auto Add window. To stop this from appearing every time, make sure to check the box that says Add Devices manually, and then check the box Do Not Show next time. After that, simply click the Cancel button to close the window and proceed to the main menu. Now, from the main menu, click on the Monitor button. On the right side, locate your device. Right-click on it and select the Config option. This will open the device's internal settings. From here, you can adjust anything you need, just as if you were accessing the device directly. Besides the device settings, let's also take a quick look at how to access the software settings. To do this, click the Home button to return to the main menu, and then click on System Config. In this section, you can customize the program to your liking. You can set how many days the logs will be saved on your computer, change the software language, and find several other useful options to optimize your experience. And that's it for today. In addition to these VMS tutorials, we are recording several videos about XMeye devices and their features. If you want to stay updated and not miss any of our upcoming content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so YouTube can alert you whenever we post a new video. Don't forget to check the links in the description and click on the video appearing on your screen now to watch our previous tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.